FIMP, F-I-M-P, First Time Internet Marketing Profits Review. Hi there, I'm Victor. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. To say hi or ask questions to me, please do so in the comments section below the video, and I'll respond to them directly. Also, please subscribe to my channel. This is my easy 3-step honest review of FIMP, also known as the First Time Internet Marketing Profits, from the vendor Ian Pribyl. In this review, we'll look at the sales page. I'll take you in and show you the software in a short demo, basically a membership online training site, and I'll conclude with my recommendation and why. First Time Internet Marketing Profits is an online training package that includes easy to follow step-by-step videos and also a private Facebook group where the users can interact with each other and also ask questions to Ian himself. This is for anyone who wants to learn how to make money online using blogging. Here we are on the sales page. If you scroll through it, it gives a lot of information really to relate to anyone who has been trying to make money online, especially if you've been trying for a while and not succeeding with all the garbage that's out there. Really, there's a lot of people that are happy to sell a lot of stuff that's supposed to help you make money online, but really it just makes them money online. This right here is different than that. The sales page is basically like a normal sales page. It gives a lot of information to let you know that they understand where you're coming from, and they understand your hopes and dreams and different things like that as far as making money online, and they also understand what it's like to have all kinds of other people out there just taking advantage of you and taking your money too. And it's one of the reasons why Ian created the course that he did. And so if you just scroll through this, I'll include a link for this. I'm not affiliated with this. I really ultimately, I love to help people when I can, and I would hope that I can help people save some time on reviewing information themselves to decide if it's something for them, as well as maybe save them some money and also steer people away from some of the junk that's out there. I don't think that this is junk at all. And ultimately, there's so many different kinds of ways that you can make money online if you think about it. But the real challenge is finding someone that you can learn from. Whether it's a coach or a training program that is done in a way that you can understand and actually take action. Because the one simple thing is true all across the board. If you never take action, nothing will ever happen. I have a link for this page. You can look through it and look at all the details. This is a picture of Ian Pribyl, and he'll be instructing on the videos and everything. If you purchase this is the FIMP, First Time Internet Marketing Profits training, you end up here in the members area in your student dashboard. And here's the course, FIMP. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the course here. And it's an online training. So it's going to have videos, and most of this is video after video after video. There are places where you're going to learn how to set everything up, and everything is on the screen, easy to follow, very well done, I think. Here again, a big question you might want to ask yourself is, can I learn from this person? And this is a question you can ask about anybody out there, no matter whose training it is. One day maybe I'll make some training, and I would say ask the same question about me. Can I learn from this guy? So all of the training is right here. It's very straightforward. Each section has its own block of training. Every video is followed by transcript, basically. There's a lot of information here. There's a lot of training here. And basically, if you follow these steps and you do everything you're being taught to do throughout all of this training, what you'll end up with is a website, a blog, and you'll understand how to do everything you need to do. in order to make money online using blogging. Now, you could have a blog that makes no money, but if you follow the instructions that Ian gives you, I believe that you'll be making money. I've been researching and studying and looking into all kinds of training for over a year about online business. I myself don't see myself creating a blog because I don't want to do a lot of writing. Now, you could have a blog and hire people to do the writing for you. It's a business. There's nothing wrong with that. But it could be a very viable business. From everything that I've heard in the training and everything, you're probably looking at anywhere between 6 to 8 to 12 months before you start seeing money coming in and everything on any kind of regular basis. This seems to be what you find in a lot of different online business models, where you're going to build something that you want it to last and have longevity. Like, you want it to be around for years and just keep making you money. What you see is it's going to take months of foundational work to get stuff started, and then once the big ball gets rolling, it can start rolling and take less and less of your time and effort and make you money. But up front, it's going to take some hard work and time. And that's something that you'd want to consider. If you want to consider a course like this, I think it's well done. The information's good. It's on target. But the questions that you might need to ask yourself are things like, do you really have time to go through the course? And if you do you have time to take the effort it's going to take to actually take action? You're going to create a website in WordPress. He's going to take you step by step how to do that. You're going to learn how to decide what niche. Fantastic training on how to understand what a niche is, what you're going to blog about, what your site's going to be about. Great training about that. Keyword training. How do you do SEO? How do you set things up so that the search engines will be looking for your information and promoting it for you even? And what are different ways to monetize a blog? All of that is covered in this course really well. He goes into great detail about it. And then on top of all of that, they have a good community on Facebook where you can actually ask questions to other people that are doing this as well. And some of them are even showing you, like, oh, I've just made my first $1,000 month, for example. I saw just the other day, I was looking through the members area, and they were showing, this is what I was doing, this is how long it took for me to get here, kind of a thing. That kind of stuff is invaluable, and it's very encouraging, especially when we're talking about making money online, because a lot of people believe that it's just impossible or not realistic. It is possible, it is realistic, it is going to take work. So anybody that tells you, oh, it's not going to take any work at all, and you don't have to really put effort into this, and it's just going to make a bunch of money for you without you doing anything, they're probably just trying to get you to give them your money. So be careful of that. All right, so the website, the training is very straightforward. Like I said, you can go to any of these sections, and they have all of this information. I actually went through all of this. Really good stuff, really solid stuff. But like I said, in the big picture of things, do I see myself creating blogs right now, having the time to focus on that? Not at this moment. I wish that I would have done this to begin with over a year ago. If I had, I'd be making money already. Actually, I'd be making consistent money online that could really help pay some bills. I think this is great stuff. It's worth looking into. As it turns out, I've come across that Ian actually wrote a book called From Nothing. And From Nothing, if you go into this book, because it talks about internet marketing, blogging, online business, and e-commerce and more, starting with less than $100. And it's available on Kindle and print on demand. I'll include the link in the description. And if you do the look inside the book, go figure, there's the chapters and the subsections that are also in the training that I was just showing you. What's the difference? Well, obviously in the training, you have Ian himself in the videos taking you through everything step by step by step. Some people are readers and they can learn and read a book and do everything that they read about in the book. I'm not one of those people, not so much. I like to be sometimes, but most of the time I know that if I could have someone take me by the hand and walk me through it step by step, that's the better way to go for me. And that's what the online training does. But if you're interested, or even if you want to just maybe take a little bit of time to check out what you think about the book, and then if you really like that, then maybe that's a step. The next step would be to do the online training. I don't know. I just wanted to give you the option when I saw that. I think this is some really good stuff. Again, it's called FIMP or FIMP, First Time Internet Marketing Profits, and I recommend it. Some key things to really consider for your own sake. Do you really want to be serious about having an internet business, an online business? And if the answer is yes, then something like this can get you there. It's going to take work, no matter what it is, whether you're doing email marketing or video, YouTube stuff, or whatever. It's going to take work. The question is to find something that you could really like and run after. In the descriptions, I went ahead and put the key lessons that you find in the training, and you can go through them. To conclude, I would say that blogging is not for everyone, but it could be worth looking into, absolutely. No matter what's been going on with the internet over years and years, blogging has been a huge thing, and it hasn't gone away, even though some other things kind of come and go. The blogging has not. So this could very well be worth looking into. It's an intensive training course. If you don't have the time to take action, then it might not be a good fit for you. I have the links for this in the description for the video. I hope that this has been some help for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below the video and I'll respond. And please subscribe to my channel.